Have you ever dreaded cleaning up after a delicious meal? The solution may be as simple as choosing the right cookware. In this video, we'll explore the importance of dishwasher-safe cookware and how it can revolutionize your kitchen experience. Imagine not having to scrub pots and pans after every meal. Modern engineering has developed dishwasher-safe cookware that withstands high heat cycles without losing quality. Our guide highlights the top sets that deliver gourmet results in easy cleanup. First, let's look for 3 key features in cookware: tough materials, heat resilience, and strong handles. Stainless steel is the best for durability. Hard anodized aluminum offers excellent non-stick properties. Pans that are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit handle high temperatures without warping. Look for riveted handles that remain sturdy over time. Now, let's dive into our top picks. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Set is perfect for families, offering 17 versatile pieces. For serious cooks, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro provides professional results with its triple-ply stainless steel. Finally, the Rachel Ray Cucina adds style on a budget while being dishwasher safe. To ensure longevity, keep your pans spaced apart in the dishwasher, use gentle detergents, and let them cool before cleaning. Investing in high-quality cookware means you can enjoy great meals without the hassle of cleanup. Consider Tefal for everyday cooking and Cuisinart for a lifetime of enjoyment. Ready to simplify your cooking? Check the links below for our top-rated dishwasher-safe cookware sets on Amazon.